What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Chris and I just recently picked up a 2005 Subaru WRX STI. Now the car is pretty clean overall, but there are some things on the car that need a little bit of love, and today I'm going to start with the headlights. Now the headlights aren't terrible, but they're not great either, so I'm going to go ahead and I picked up a restoration kit and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the headlights looking brand new again. So I don't know about you guys, but that's probably one of the biggest eyesores for me when it comes to the front end of a car, hazy headlights. So to get things started, I'm gonna go ahead and mask off the area around the headlight. And from there, we're gonna begin the process of getting them all sanded down and then cleaned off so that way we can get them looking brand new again. So this is the kit that I picked up. It's made by Mother's, I guess it's called New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. It pretty much, or it looks like it comes with everything you need. Comes with the little sanding disc, plastic polish, the polishing tool, pretty much everything you need. So I'll be sure to link this in the description box below. You can find this. I bought it on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can probably find it at your local parts store as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, now here's a look at what actually comes inside the box. So this is the polishing tool. This is like the 3000, I believe, 3000 grit sanding pad. These are for severely damaged headlights. So I don't actually think I'm gonna need these just yet. Here is the backing plate itself that you stick the sanding pad onto, and of course the plastic polish. And if you didn't know already, you do need a drill. Well, you don't need one. I guess you could do it by hand, but a drill would make it a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna use the 3000 pad and go from there. All right, so with the help of my beautiful assistant, the passenger side headlight is all finished up, and I'm pleased with how it turned out. Here's the driver's side, which I have yet to do. You can still see the haze in that one compared to the passenger side, which is pretty good. 10 out of 10 would recommend doing yours if you have hazy headlights. My assistant took a break. She took a lunch break, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the driver's side and I should be good to go. Definitely gonna have to wash my car after this, but let's get it finished up. All right, headlights are done. I'd say they turned out pretty great. So we're one step closer to getting the front end of this car looking pretty good. I still want to change the front lip because there's a crack in the front lip. It was like that when I got it. It's actually not a crack, it's actually broken all the way through. So I want to change that. I also want to change this emblem as well, or whatever, with like a new, clean, fresh one. I'm probably gonna go with that that pink one, that cherry blossom pink. I just like how it looks. Yeah, and I don't know where we're gonna go from there. Oh, also I picked up a trunk here because I'm gonna mount a STI wing on that. I have the wing chilling over there. It still needs to be painted. So I have a few plans for the exterior of the car in the next few weeks. So if you haven't already, please subscribe for weekly videos. Turn that notification bell on so you'll stay up to date with each one of my uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video.